NIT Goa new campus will be ready within 2 years. Now we already started the compound wall, 70% of compound wall is over, and the main campus will be getting done through CPWD, and all the protocols are over. In fact, the work order is given, and it will start by September 15th, and within 2 years they will complete the work. It will be about 6,70,000 square feet with a cost of about 300 crores first phase, and with all amenities. We can house about 1,500 students hostel, about 150 faculty members, about 90 classrooms with all modern facilities. And we will be having inbuilt solar power plant, so that we will have 3 megawatt power plant. And also all the classrooms are smart classrooms, and a library which is completely digital. And the students will be exposed to all the new type of technologies. And we'll have an alliance with IIT Bombay, IISc Bangalore and NIT Surathkal to give quality education. And I'm very happy that this year all the Goa seat students are filled by meritorious Goan students. Not a single seat is left, and all the NIT seats are filled, including BTech and MTech programs. And we solicit the people of Konkolin to support this in a bigger way, so that the name of Konkolin will be in the All India map. So NIT Goa Konkolin is my wish.
So sir, ये confusion है लोगों के लिए कि वहाँ ऊपर एक टैंक है पानी का, और दूसरा एक कैनल है, और तीसरे साइड पे रोड है, और रोड के साइड में ही 1 मीटर छोड़े बिना आप लोगों ने कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट किया।
हमने कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं स्टार्ट किया।
इसके लिए क्या होगा?
नहीं, आप हमने क्लियर कट बोलता है, वो कैनल को हम डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सकते, कर भी नहीं सकते। Actually, we are as per that state government now, we have to give 8 meters that side, 8 meters. We have left it, but this side is not our land. We are only covering our land, and over the canal which comes in our land, we are going to put a concrete canal, so that canal will not be disturbed. We are going to spend about 50 lakhs on the canal which comes in our site, so that the natural water canal will not be disturbed. Second thing is about the water tank. We have made a provision for that to use it, and we are not going to touch it. In fact, there is a dismantled tank. We are going to repair it and fill the water in that also. So we are not going to disturb any water canal. We are not going to give any drop of drainage to the public, and will not create any pollution to the public. On the other hand, we are going to plant about 1,000 mango trees, so that will have more oxygen-rich atmosphere in the company. I'll assure you that the people of Konkolin will have a very peaceful, in fact, it will be a beautiful place for them to come for an evening walk and see this campus.